My grandfather visited all the holy places, including Manasarovar. He sold everything, including his wife's jewelry, to start this business. Including Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, all the film stars congratulated A.R. Rahman. He has failed in all the subjects, including second language. All the family members, including 95-year-old grandmother, attended the marriage. Fine. So, what have you found in these 5 sentences? In these 5 sentences, we have seen a word called including. So, when including ends with ing form, most of us may think that it is a verb. No, it's not a verb. It's a technical word in English language. I prefer to call it a technical word. In grammar, it is called a preposition. So, including is a technical word, it's a preposition, and that is what we find in these 5 sentences. So, why should we use including? What are the benefits of including? Where, when, and how to use? Let us try to find out in this video. So, why to wait then? Let us see. Including. It is a technical word in English language. It is called preposition. Where, when, why, and how to use including? Let us try to know. Including is used with nouns. It is used when we want to highlight something specifically. That is, we want to put emphasis or stress on one particular aspect. For example, all the family members attended the marriage. It is enough if we say in this way, but in the group of family members there is a 95-year-old grandfather. So, if we want to mention him in a special way, we should use including for grandfather. Second example, all the teachers appreciated the girl. In the group of teachers, the principal also is there. Therefore, if we want to mention the principal in a special way, if we think that principal deserves a special mention, then we should use including for the principal in this way. All the teachers, comma, including the principal, comma, appreciated the girl. So in this sentence, we are separating the principal from the rest of the teachers, and we are promoting the principal in a special way. This is how including helps us in our communication in the sentence formation. Some more examples. The doctor has seen all the reports, including the scanning report. He knows all the Indian languages, including Hindi. Including heart, all the vital parts of the patient are functioning well. 15 countries, including India, are going to participate in Olympics. 800 citizens, including doctors, lawyers, and teachers, have participated in the conference. How to practice including? Collect living and non-living nouns and make own sentences by adding including to these nouns. Second, to familiarize yourself with including, study the usage of including in print and electronic media. So, I hope you have understood how to use the technical word including in your sentence formation. So in our next video, let us try to learn something more about some more technical words. Keep watching JBK English videos and classes, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel, share and like the video. Have a great time. Stay safe.